How to view all the pictures and videos you have sent to someone on Insta DMs. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can view all the pictures and videos you have sent to someone on your DMs. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to make sure that you have logged in into your account. Before that, make sure that you have the updated version of the app. After you've done all of that, just open up your Instagram and then head over to DMs. Now tap on the DM where you want and there tap on the user's name on top. Now, as you can see, I have not yet sent a lot of pictures, but now I can see all of the pictures at one place. For that, tap on the name of the person that you just sent it to, and after you're there, scroll down. Now after you scroll down, you should see all of the videos and pictures that you have sent. For that, head over to this section right here, and there you should see the pictures that you have sent. And yeah, this is a section where you can see all of the pictures and videos that you have sent over time. Now, no matter what the time, how many photos or videos you have sent, all of these will be here before or unless you unsend them. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you can view all the pictures and videos. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.